Today we're making papaya salad, which in Laos is called Hoong.
Did you have to do that? I know, it's my turn.
Sabadi, welcome back guys. This is Khao with us. Today we're making Hoong, which is papaya salad. I'm Sabrina.
I'm Brittany.
And I'm Katie.
So, when you think of traditional Laos dishes, the most iconic one is the green papaya salad. All my friends who have ever tried this at my house, they become highly addicted and ask for it all the time. So now I'm gonna tell them, make it your damn self. Okay, all the ingredients that we're gonna use today are here. Green papaya, carrots, which are optional. We have crab paste, shrimp paste, lime, red chili peppers, sugar, fish sauce, garlic.
And then when you're finished making the papaya salad, the options to eat it with are long beans, cabbage, vermicelli noodles, and pork rinds.
Let's get started. Okay guys, so the most important ingredient in your green papaya salad is your green papaya. When you're picking yours at the store, you want to pick one that is very firm and green all around. So there's two ways that you can shred the papaya. You can use a shredder, which will be very quick and a lot easier, or you can do it the traditional way, or like the way your mom and dad usually do it at home if you're Laos, and use a knife and basically shred the papaya. This is obviously optional, but I'm gonna shred some carrot to put in there, and it makes it look pretty, adds some color. Okay, so I finished shredding the papaya and the carrot, and now it's all ready to be mixed up, and I'm gonna hand it over to Sabrina.
All right, so let's get started. We're gonna add 2 cloves of garlic, 5 Thai chili peppers, and now we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of Cabbage, which is shrimp paste. And then you want to add 2 tablespoons of nampa, which is fish sauce. Okay, so we're going to mix the ingredients together. Now you want to be gentle at first because it's going to splatter everything. So usually I take this spoon and just hold down the garlic and pepper.
So you want to mix in the papaya that we shredded earlier. Throw in the shredded carrots. You also want to make sure that you mix everything thoroughly.
So we're going to use a full tomato because I didn't have any cherry tomatoes. And if you do have cherry tomatoes, use a full cup of it. Okay, so we're going to add some lime. I'm using a full lime in the salad. Okay, so let's serve. Our papaya salad is all finished.
Hi, so now we're gonna show you how to make sticky rice. What you're gonna need is glutinous rice, which is essentially just a sticky rice. It's not a jasmine rice, which you would use for steamed rice. And we're going to do 2 cups of that. So you're gonna add water to your bowl just to get all the impurities out of the rice. You'll drain this twice is enough. Depending on when you want to eat your sticky rice and how much time you have to wait, it needs about 8 to 24 hours to soak in cold water. But if you're in a rush, you can soak it in hot water and it only takes 3 hours. All right, so it's been about 3 hours. The rice is soaked, and you're just gonna need this pot and this sticky rice basket for cooking. You can find them at any Asian grocery market. You're gonna fill your pot with some water, not all the way, maybe halfway. So you're gonna take the sticky rice and pour it straight into your basket and let all the water drain out. Now you're ready to bring it over to your stove. You can set your stove to high until it boils and just wait until it starts steaming a little bit before you're gonna have to turn it over. It looks like the rice is ready to be flipped now. When it is ready, you'll see that it's steaming as well as some of it gets formed together, and you can even see that it's sticking together. You'll put the lid of your sticky rice basket over the top for the last 5 minutes of cooking. All right, so it's been about 5 minutes, and we can take the lid off of the sticky rice, turn off your stove, and transfer into your basket. Be very careful, it's so hot.
All right, so everything's made and ready for us to eat. So we have it served here with the cabbage, the long beans, and the pork rinds. We also have homemade beef jerky, which we'll have to talk about on another video. Yeah. Hey guys, so I wanted to tell you a little bit more about the earrings I was wearing in today's video. They're actually handmade in Laos, and they're made from unexploded bombs that were dropped during the Secret War. So if you want to find out more, please visit my website at amillionelephants.com or follow us on Instagram at amillion.elephants.